Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things or where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I thank you for your time. I thank you for watching. Let's rock. Good news! Finally sold the doghouse. Someone on Craigslist didn't deem me a murderer and thought it was a good idea, so yay, I deliver it this evening. That's a big step for me. That's the problem. You can't make people buy them. I want stairs to come off the porch. 4 of them, about 7 inches wide. I do not have any 1x. I have a 1 by 1.5. And 30 inches long. I can get 4 7s out of that. Oh, and this is not 1 inch. It's 7/8 of an inch by 1 7/8. So I have to make my own 1 by 2. That's how the mills do it. Your 1x's are 1/8 short. Make it skinny. Well, what am I doing this for? I'm just going to paint the fucking thing. Never mind. Not a bad idea. Worked for the inside. Nope. Changed my mind. Quit before it gets too bad. And I can hit the uprights. Out on the ends. Couple pin in the center. Alright. Where do they go? I miss that smell. I should do this more often. Why is it always an oddball? 12 3/4. Level would be nice. I got a torpedo level. Yep, right there. Worry about that when I pin it. Actually, I'm going to clamp them and then pin them. Just reasons. Man, the Romans were good at this shit. Except for that part. They worked in teams, you know. They kind of had each other's back. Extra set of hands sort of fucking thing, don't you know? Bang. Stop fucking moving. Good help is hard to find. Clamp, shoot them. I think I just stumbled onto a big and horrible problem. Good thing I already had it marked. I can hear all of you laughing at me now. Alright, yeah, I just take that corner off. We're good. Won't interfere. Yeah. Awesome. Just one more problem with it. That's why I didn't tie that sumbitch down. It's the last thing I'm doing. Is attaching the effing roof. Last thing I'm doing. Alright. Bingo. this. I pick up all the metal. It's still a garage. There are tires in here, dang it. Okay, well, I gotta shape that corner of the door. 2 starters in that. The other side isn't down either. I gotta pin it first. I already changed the bit. Damn it. Hit it with the pause button. Well, I know they're Phillips. Now where the hell are they? From about a year ago. Oh, with the piano hinge, I found the screws I needed. Once again, piano hinge. Saves the day. I need 6 of these. 2, 3. It's stuck. 5 and woe is me, boo-hoo. I'm on YouTube, cry, cry. Hey, there's 4 more. Who'd have thunk? I think I figured out what I did with them a year ago. Use a couple of scraps to shore it up. I got something to punch against. Wow. Pinned. All right, door's on. Yeah. Shave that. This won't come off the porch anyway because of the way it's hung. I just need know how far back I gotta go to make that happy. See, the door doesn't want to go that far. Ha! I gotta put a feeder screw in here anyway. How are you supposed to open the door if you got feeder screw right in that knot. Open you to about there. I'll just put a door stop in it. Doubles as the feeder. I got a 3-inch screw right up the bottom of that. Cool. Give me a future reference. There, now I can work on it. Work with it. I'm going flat back because of the overhang. So yeah, the door is completely off from the rest of the body. I don't care. Flip that out of my way. Bring that corner down on the door. And get halfway cleaned up and deliver the doghouse. And so on, so on, so forth. fun, isn't it? Why does it pixelate when I zoom? My tablet does not pixelate when zoomed. This is a first. Just started today. What the hell? Look at all that. Look like I'm faking this shit. Anyways, gotta take that and clear under the line I drew in the first place. Yay, fun. Cool. Got the stairs on, got the door set, fit the swing, got the latch set, yay. Roof, paint, feeder post. That's about it. Then hang a for sale sign on it. Speaking of which, yeah, I gotta get cleaned up, dried off, and deliver that thing. Come out to leave, saw this little guy. Well, little being the operative word here. Yeah. He obviously knows what he's doing, being that fucking large. Yay, finally got us sold. Bye-bye, doggos. Now I got room to do a few more things. Or at least I got room to move stuff, so I got more room to do stuff. This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where I keep my linky stuff. Notification bell because reasons. I thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching. Helps me. Screw the channel. It helps me. Thank you.